this video, I will be showing you where I was making a mix with the paints to try to create a paint color. It did not work out the way that it was supposed to, so this is a oops. I was actually trying to make a gray. So as you see here, I'm going to take the black, that's that Artist Loft Acrylic Flow, and that's the black, and I'm just going to put it in there. And so I was supposed to be putting the 40 grams of paint. That's where the oops comes in it. I forgot what I was putting, that I had already did the Floetrol. And the other problem is that I did not shake the Floetrol before I put it in the container. That's a no-no. You have to shake the Floetrol so that it will mix right with the paint. That's why I'm pausing there, because I forgot that I'm adding paint and I've already done the Floetrol. So I've put too much paint in there. So now I'm just going to add into an even number. I'm going to go over to the white Artist Loft. And that's the white one, the white Artist Loft Acrylic Flow. And I'm going to do the same thing with that one. So I'm just going to bring that one up to the same number that I mixed the black to try to create a gray. Now you're going to see what color it ends up coming to. The gray that I wanted it to be is the color that's on the current bottle. So what I should have did, I should have mixed a small batch to see the consistency before I added all of the paint. And I have no room to add any water. And now I'm just going to shake it up and mix it. You're going to see in just a little bit what I come up with, which is not the color that was in the bottle the first time. I ran out of that color and I was trying to create another gray because black and white creates gray. As you can see, that's a very dark, almost like pewter. It's definitely not the shade that I was trying to create. And these are just some of the pictures from my birthday. The first one I went in on a walk. The second one where I went to breakfast and got me a strawberry Belgian waffle. And in that strawberry cheesecake is from the evening. That's what I would be interested in, seeing if I could create some projects with my new tool set. This is just one of the gifts that I received. And it's very heavy. I'm sorry, guys. It's very heavy. Hey, Jade. Jade, talk to me. Talk to me, Jade. Yeah, talk to me. For this video, what I'm doing is mixing some paints. So as you can see, the first thing I'm going to use is Floetrol. And the consistency is supposed to be 80 grams of Floetrol. And then I'm going to afterwards start adding the paint. The paint consistency is supposed to be 40 grams. So next up is the paint, and that's the Liquitex Basics. I'm trying to show you the color there. It's orange fluorescent. And after adding the paint, I will be adding the water, which would be 30 grams of water. And the water is just put in to help it stop from getting thick. And so it's to help keep it thin. But if you're going to be using your paint right away, you don't have to add any water. That's just to keep the paint, you know, at the consistency you want it at. And when it gets thick, you just add more water. And so you just give it a good shake so that you can get all of your ingredients mixed properly. And then I'm just going to repeat that same step. Adding that 80 grams of Floetrol. The next color that I'm going to be adding is Liquitex Basics, and that is Phalange. Ooh, have no idea how to pronounce that first name. It's green. It's like a phthalo green. And so after the 40 grams of paint, you're just going to go and add that 30 grams of water, just like in the last one. And then you're just going to make sure that you mix that one as well. And I will be posting a video of a pouring very soon, guys. Bear with me. I'm still trying to work on getting this videoing down pat.